no muede ene ya ena sabio papa na ye frɛ ne bono hene ekɔ interview MPP ni man panyini weyi nano ate jo benjo papa weyi ena ene yewia bono hene ekɔ interview no na papa ye fene Sylvester Tete oye obia osi opeso mra medi MPP General Secretary. That is not the reason why I'm here. Now papa ko tra studio ho ene wane bono hene nkobo didiem no papa ne kan semme no bia emu duru pa na make a lot of sense. Papa we see what the NDC is doing today to the MPP people. Omo fanto omutimu se so munim no munim na obi bokro no na MPP amanyoko ba konwam 2029 ye chi amanfo de omoko prison ho ana police yard ho a age so omoko fa Yesu Kristo ne cross no da so wuye no age so omoko fa no ba ti se bail answer omo atiase papa de kansem no konanim kira say no. What is happening in the MPP today, no? It is a way of success because party, no, obibi no also sene no. Namom, eya adwene ba kone one point of view be a nyina ye won common. And then the nam so ama ye nyina ka ho abom say ye party for. And the best way to win the election is to be a candidate here. Eye party no mom na de wo ko, na mom na enye wo na wo the party na ko. Because e kobane sa every member in the party will work for you, and everyone will have one achievement, one common achievement. Let's win the elections together. If you are passing to ene ekoso down no ground ho no e come up say about to ekoto ni na anu yi empanfo ayeyi won at the district level, constituency level no. These are now the officers of the party. Or see, omunye delegates. Because I see the delegates exercise, omu making it just once in a term of 4 years. But to be the party officer at the constituency level, you are every day. Now your mum no ton party in the party leader. Because omu ye juma or down a convince a man for. I'm 40 party na say because the party candidate Lankasano Oba constituency 190 and so crew and 9 miensa so. After that, he must to go to another place. And mumpono and crofono was for in chronosono untumin kasa and one by one and your muniasum como. But these district level officers you try also just a simple delegation. Every day to promote the party. And to say Dr. Bawumia is going to win this election. And when he wins, the NDC will clap back for what they are doing to the MPP people. And some Steven Tete and Owo Edemayen. So hi Ras Media GH. Subscribe to my channel and become part of the family.
Benjoso.
Maybe I told you about Cody.
Yame di acheme na muswe.
Nyame edi achende di cancel. Heda se yama moni adwuma se still na no waba mumu ye party no opposition. Na still na so be kwa ko gina na afi wase aboa party no. Enyezi obi anko se me manyame kakra me ne me ma. Ebi. Opposition te saying no me ko saying.
Bodo mamenchia etifo na Menda party magina ase ne ahokeka omudi ahye party no adwumadi ahudu a yedie mu constituencies a oni akoto aba eyi akandifo memfa akwanya so emmo woni abaso sronko na mema woni a epa wo mu nyina so trinkwa na obi nso a odi nkuku no ose ti asese eno nkyere se obetiada obia de na hoden beboa de odi nkunim na yatumi apeja MPP amanyuku no na ira His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia watumia for abanyu anu biom se MPP edin kunim 2028 elections edai ni mu na afeso emrantie ni mabun ni party mpanimfo a ebotwi eko yoko mia na medimu akotre
enaba yoko hobi
yoko hobi spending over 2 hours na membo omunyina so abaso se ene ye de unua wo se eyono na nyame omo de free ni so a ebeba wo so ene nti onyanko da ne woda sabi anka ni papa mu a obi eko police station ana okwa akotro na nu de one ni lawyer pa ka obi amfa ho na ho bi denti na aboasrewa odi ni background wo yi na ni asi nchen NDC amanyokuo ni boni ni kwan boni a omode Ghana for air faso eno ntina ye nyina ebo twie ebo brema ko hwe se ehimfa na yenua no wo na sabi munso ye ni nipa na ye Ghana for nyina ntiase na media for 4 years me a member of the local government committee in parliament so ejuma interministerial committee edie mitiase pa ye nti ebedi ho nkomo na menka se abato ahodo a akase ebeto ewo various constituencies no ye momodin se yi mfiri ho court in semseme wo ho nyina no megidi se yetenase na ye kan se no dodo na ebehu se ewe dodo na is born out of suspicions
you ready ho nkomo
pa ye and I think say niam na be nkoye
okay
and as a matter of fact e wo se hwe na ye kan ho asemi ye right to ni nyina na face regional elections ye ba be nominations na ye free ho na e ba de kasiem at the national level and I wish everybody well. I congratulate those who won the elections because it's not easy. Who follow the elections, build up, any the elections day. Akuku daba hodo ati theater. Oshe Tsunamia SVP from the various constituencies are Ebana. I say Epo Asochri. Starting Ruba Uhu. Ebebe no say Afau. So I think say the party people generally in opposition, there is only one thing, power, who can best help us win power. Now, on our interview, Ubia is talking about the MPP as a party. And I believe that most people are retreating the same point. Say, a party, no, and the candidates echo elections, not the candidates taking the party to elections. And anywhere, because of my experience, party where a candidate wants to take the party to election, oftentimes it results in a defeat.
Say, what the party didn't
exactly, the party must take you to elections. And it's a deep statement. It takes people who has huge depth of experience to understand.
Right, open my
the American say, party no. Bigger than any individual. There were over 90,000 communities at Ghana. Woman flag bearer be quite say on campaign, you taking more than 5 years, no ching Ghana and Yanko. About was a maximum, your opposition. I see 2 years to the next elections, no, at least a year flag bearer. And the 90,000 communities, then I just say flag bearer between your constituencies are polling stations, any communities, every 8,000. Every 400, every 300 communities. Flag bearer about constituency at most occur 2 locations. No call. So the 400, 300, 200 communities are a constituency no. Nipa ye wo mo any polling station officers. I don't call them delegates. They are only delegates for a day for an exercise, but they are officers of the party. Womona omobeton flag bearer. They are ton parliamentary candidate. And the structures of Mudibeye Jumano are very important. Yes, Yenyan parliamentary candidate. And the executives are ye womu and from polling station, electoral area, constituency are ye womu and they have to plan, strategize. How I bet me din kunim wo constituency. If they have a plan, I feel who can best fit their plan to win the elections for us. can best fit it. And to say, yes, uncle for no. Now, you're training woman. Oftentimes, bono, elections everything popular people.
Yeah.
Very popular people. See, I mean, we started. Yeah, fine reforms on paper. Electoral area coordination team led by a chairman, a secretary, organizer, communication, and electoral affairs. We need to spend a lot of money to train them to know the job of an electoral affairs at the electoral area. The communication officer at the electoral area, the organizer, the secretary, and the chairman, they are unique role in that electoral area. And it's a constituency new profiling itself. A roadmap how we can win. The SWOT analysis of that constituency, the strength for the MPP, the opportunities, the threat. A work constituency no munyina and weaknesses. So yes, our analysis ni nyina. Afe yenhwe candidate a yenni no yebeto I be match all the analysis ayaye. But often time the sense say ye person candidate na dey call elections nti we ignore all these things. Now if executives 19 year mo be
and almost we start
mo ache
me patcho nkomo no ehia pa
very very important.
And who think nkomo pa ye capacity as we aka na sere su kra me pe enti nyam chana chechrem twi yi na man fonti ase
and the American say ya kwako yi 19 executives party no obligation say ye focus immediately no should not be parliamentary candidate.
Okay.
And then I may say one more. A bill so akoshe nipa bi echi say me pese odi chairman na obo am na mbe candidate. E bi akoshe organize echi, e bi akoshe youth organize echi, and na na mo achiche. Enti etu aba wie ye pe appointment e so mo ye ne boa wo mo no. Ye share the interest of a potential parliamentary candidate, an interest of a potential MP. Ye pese e 2 MP we. Ye pese di we ba. Enti appointment am ye no en favor me. Very dangerous. And you obi anto the bo na appointment amoba be ye nipa ebe complementing mu vision amodi aba ebi anko in a team they move in individual strength mon bondi first of all and into na constitution mamu 2 weeks chairman for and 2 omobo so be in the team and as a baby amu feedback amu betenase na fe mo assess responsibility e dia mamo at this why their mamo say mon deliver constituency no. First of all, say a orphan constituency analyze your results. Say a constituency among we na analyze your results.
A call saying that
now if why na bet me aboa ye vision ye di be. It's mu year appointment in we are. They should not be discussing parliamentary candidates as of now. 1 and 2 omobo. They will undergo rigorous training. Me makasa me be general secretary.
But when is a training a issue in MPP?
Yes, it is a big
one. Ye to aba mo constituency obi o kra na rule ana na sadia e se wo ye no kra wonim.
Me tie as a general secretary. I've observed the party.
No,
me were good overview of the party no. Ye to aba me and now immediate tax. And they say vision for 2028 and the party no nipa ya to abayi wo mu nyina no within the shortest possible time no they must understand the vision direction e pese yeko
constituency level about region to national also be atiase here ye wo short term, medium term, and of course a long term vision. A son say ye wo 2 years to prepare for victory. Our immediate term is to get the party ready for that vision. Na chire wo mo say ye wo 87 seats. Ye be pese ye be winning 145 seats. Sa seat no research will identify for me say this 160 seat no we are going to pick it. Margin of error. So constituency officers no e also mo tia say minimum ba be winning sa seat we. And of course those that we may not target no a defensive mechanism and ye dey call. But in Pempi no ye be winning aba no
an orphan constituency a yen winning seat ni be dano. If you are the last elections, omunya presidential vote 3,000. The next election omenya 6,000. 100%. There was a ball more basso. Because if you be winning the seat, the last election on your 12,000, this election on your 11,000, even though we're winning. Now more bona basso, no wa jaubia, when you additional 100% vote. A analysis I was here, yeah. And say himself will sit in the want to me win ya. Yeah, man will target near these things about but all we need from you A, B, C, D. So resources a debeba constituency no. I was say resources a defensive mechanism. So all we need from you is to go and defend. And he will reward you based on how defensive you've been to the party. Said it no.
Yabebo man for abaso.
Yabebo man for abaso. And one thing I may say, the reward mechanism in our party, it should be tied to your work to the party, not following anybody anywhere. So you will say, reward mechanism and the party should have its own reward mechanism.
Let me identify.
Let me identify. So what's Zabzugu? Now you name the Ekoso Hoa. You name say constituency executive, my bomb, the Edema no more ye. But reward system is tied to say yakwako din konim. And things that we constituencies bebrea. Wasn't executive no more chiche. Manfa candidate ama minya recognition in a party. No. And mesre executives are power mo. Ebi wo ma ye adwuma na che. Ebi nso afi no mo abem. One nya botre.
Okay.
Now a regional executives, a national executives are we moving quickly. Maybe I can say your budget for general elections. You need budget to run the party.
Your budget for general elections?
Yes.
But you need budget for
run the party.
107.3.
It's a serious problem.
And
the party.
I'm saying work out.
By no credit.
Sir, you have a party need to minyeska. Budget. And my party say you have to no money and to abani and inkunim. But party no day-to-day activities, no.
And now you to obey. Easy for budget. Omuma yebo party netua all over. A police for provision ma omo. Provision for venue abetua ba no. Transportation of the delegate from their hamlet to the center no ya make provision. So you've opened the constituency for the highest bidder. The obetumi transport woman. Constituencies ni nyanya nkra ni tem akumasi o. Baby wo hofa car be 3. That's not about center. Over cars be 2. Baby crowd how be that overnight. And the delegate be 2 aba. Party na nye provision. One and the neighbor. And the owosika no obetumi atwe na aba. Obema no baby ada. So on to me nye Muhammad on to me nye adwuma no go be 2 aba na ma no because of that gesture. Sa nyama we nyina ye nyama e wo se yehwe. E be di party ni nya. Over the time, there were research officers. And training research officers. Look, they be can say research officers. Say idea ya training wo muye. They will be indispensable to the constituencies because it's expensive to train somebody to come to that level. And our research officers now a jai in the position or quack or contest because on your sure say party ni be retaining no. Enti saka ye bo mu ka training wo mo a akasa aka na nyina wo mo de ko.
Right.
I believe, sir, me be a general secretary at the constituency level, regional level, national level. We will not have just a research officer. I was saying a research team. Constituency out here, you will be a good resource to join the research team in that constituency. And the political appointee or a research officer, he needs to have a team, a cut across to help in political researching. So identification of candidate for assembly election to parliamentary and higher issues a flag bearer attach on your back campaign and higher campaign messaging it should born out of research of various constituencies. Okay. So all this training, communication, new media, communication has moved on and is faster. So communication officers, because we call one constituency, you can have thousands of people communicating for the party. How consistent and coordinated are voices are a constituency no. Obi wo domi kwa benya or a very effective communicator. On to me can domi kwa benya asem. Or bar radio so no apeja. On the nam Zabzugu, on the nam ha. All politics is local.
Of course.
So research officers should be preparing the research materials. Normally, a mass communication officer give to your people to disseminate. Eliklima Kurugu said there and then. We go for the brain in politics. Don't make a for communicators who can bring her down. Because she's an embarrassment to the office of a member of parliament in that constituency, of course. Of course. The standard that now of course standard that constituency could do. Now here's our constituency all this episode already.
107.3.
Please. Is he deserving of that constituency? Please. So a judgment that anima no. That constituency must dissect and let the people know the standard that the constituency in Nakwa could do. It's not just occupying the space. There were premium constituencies. And for me, Obi Antunebo, and we must look at the elephant as a winning symbol. When you are battling against a propagandist government like the NDC, they forgot to say more responsibility. Settings in Kwan and Muditi Abema. And you move one and focus in your accord. A friend is saying, you could headquarters. Right,
yeah, so MPP, I remember Yoko issue, no, and my mini kind say MPP that's it, so what me say productive hours, 2 hours, at what Yoko office. It means that what determined say party no, amount to me also be some party no, your constituencies be what, baby says East. Any Miami Ahudwa, Yede injunction, eto so say my young Kotuaba, Ewoho. But unfortunately, ya Kotuaba, Ewoho. And then a beba party be issue, say yen to about her, yen to about her. Near Benya police for any easy for no Marcus Papa, say monitor my elections across a brave party executives, national executives.
You see, lack of discipline in your party, no. And the Nyama will be brave ever. Mimi constituency, but you know English I'm from. The acting national chairman, a short letter, say you suspending the elections until further notice. They consulted me and I said, look, once a party natural letter, no, suspend the elections, na monko arbitration. Baby be brave, ensu kuta application notice for injunction. In law, Supreme Court ruling say notice for an injunction, it does not constitute an injunction.
No country no mama daruba.
No say me bow koko and I say me bow kai say me duwa ko jina court me ma court tie masem say me di tabo beto so. Eno tabo no nyamfa to so. Tabo no nyamfa to so. Ba me ma wo say bono hene. Me di asema ko dan court e da say me kwa ko move application no ma court me ma court di tabo na to so e no nya tabo.
Okay,
tabo ni say wa ko move application wa check court no say weni nti adwumandi abono hene be di anwumre fa tabo to so e no di tabo no to so a eno ano no but in pempi no nipa bebre na court na mo akodi application to for notice or notice that's it me kwa ko move application before my lord justice na ma chere ni di nti of tabo nto ade so two different things the edi kan tabo de nyamfa nto so and you could as application now in law enya injunction but baby a national party are taking notice of some activities now mo abra letter touch no even if there's no injunction no it was all train. It's a typical case of Botiano English I'm from. It's notice application
your
of
constituency?
Yes, it is my constituency still.
Okay.
On notice, application on notice for injunction. It is not an injunction, but national party not sure say you're holding on the elections, and until we stay the process, you're trying say ebeko national na nsema ni pakuo bi di ko dan wo no wo mu pense mu wo mu wie na clear na sumdue aba. So I think say lack of discipline and clarity in decision making in our party. You see, process, it's as if we are stampeding the process. I'm being honest with you. Time for arbitration, time for appellate decisions, and the rest. You see, time party for D.
Yeah.
A day I will train you now. Nipa nim say ye throw din no near their compiled register. Me a police station chairman I bet to me swaba. Inti nipa 5 na dia ma omo no. Not the book national moto. Ye wo party ye national officers. Ye officers from the polling station level to national. Generally, to me to presidential election over 221,000. So registration here in Nusa. So there's a problem. There is a problem. And I'm saying you know bet me I can't work. But I think say we a leader. Now the queen. The measuring rod, there must be consistency. There must be fairness in decisions are yet taken. Because baby a jai, na baby a kwakoya. Na just a dear nekoso. It be nya opportunity to be heard. Ninyina everyday discontent within the rank and file of the party. Okay. I'm sorry to say, sir, the state of your party today, enyakono.
Okay.
People are asking for leadership for this party, and I think, sir, you cannot give what you don't have.
Leadership, proper leadership, and just leadership.
You see, Semikana me interested party. One say Mikasa ubi. The judgment is with the masses, but of course, utie Ghana for. It be crowd who omunya MPP for. Yeah, two sides there. You trust I don't say the chia. You be who say we chia you be a or independent or general sebi on fadi o ye no. But our interest. And it one more commentary a omo dey ba. Na yankasa so ye party no mo. And ubi aye di ope. And for me, I think say rules are a governing elections. Nankasa no. Nipa echo various concerns. Some of the issues with here airtime, but we must move in quickly and ensure. So many times, and so it tells a lot about the and maybe I might say any time ubi be leading major reform. Now say or you active participant in the outcome of the reforms no of really.
Brabiona Church say
yes. Say a reformist.
Okay.
Asema to institution be.
Okay.
Where a major changes in the MPP structure. And the what would do no. Now per se will contest now we are beneficiary of system now we now. No reforms now would do anymore. And the one you now will say we reforms they make contest elections. The suspicion is that you are skewing the process for yourself. Especially when you are bringing a major reforms. They said they are now going in the MPP. What did the Americans say? And clearly, no. The Americans say, if I were the leadership at that time, such a humiliating defeat, the MBC party for say, I will lead the reforms. I call it for no, but I will not partake in that elections. And then you'll be ruthless to ensure that you do the right thing and bequeath it to the party. But now, issues no want to minka because I'll call elections. So they've lost the potency. They've lost their potency.
Because of to me,
of course.
Authority.
No, you can't. They've lost it. Anka, your party constitution. One of the functions of the general secretary is to inform the party people, the mouthpiece of the party. Now, call national council meeting and as a steering committee meeting. Now, acting chairman is issuing instructions from these bodies to the party people. It tells you, say clearly, you are conflicted. You are conflicted. It's the source of all these problems. Because we are training in the discharge of your duty. You won't check your responsibility now. Now, who is speaking for the party? In the face of all these challenges, we don't hear the voices that are supposed to communicate to party people. Because two factions, they call elections. Now, Tawatawa back constituency, because you are conflicted, won't know where to sit. So most of the arbitrations na ekoso no, people who sit on it oftentimes because nipa was so tenemo no kan no kre. Or me say election mo koyi man kan ye na we mu ko luso a obeka semia we mu wini obeto abetia me.
Engineer
di hu. And General Secretary that's supposed to speak and communicate decisions of steering committee, National Executive Committee, or National Council. No, that responsibility now is shifted to the acting national chairman for fear of losing an elections.
It's losing to me.
And only some PPCC.
Right, young national issues kakana pe memra obedi so. We spend day 2 hours.
Yeah.
Our Yoko headquarters. Walk us through okwena normal to saying almost saying chia ya chene no e famra kwan so. Ya na samia okudi nkomo no say 50 million Ghana cedis be condition. And what your mom funny pam you numra almost no mean be pam you no omo ajapade a 50 million Ghana cedis. Ni pam you no and make 50 million Ghana cedis abaka so nyeska what the quantity sika mu a 500 billion 500 billion billions are 500 abayin the cost we to say will be oba as general secretary
bono yene you see ene ade ba ko na be see mitrim say yanjai sa in quote this nonsense in this country. Enjoy in quote this nonsense in this country. You see, I invite you be to any investigative body. Nani pabuchi say ye ko. Me do hono. Dipe gua bonting. Me try say me bra inside. Omu be me first entrance na me call ye.
Okay.
I say you can only go to the reception. You do ho. Ye nyane I helpless na ejina ho. Ye start interrogation is simple. A woman lawyers nearby I best start interrogation. Of course, you cannot be in there with them. It's their right. A lawyer for the woman interrogation. And I didn't feel. And no mona Samia Wuku a boy a manye. What happened at that interview? Look, listen. 50 million. Now, wow, best sign surety no. You should demonstrate say what property 50 million. Now properties who the bar I think you court, you be call lands I can verify. Nipa say what property worth 50 million in Ghana. Hotels do say nkwa na bo esu 50 million. Hotels do say. Nipa say and what such properties in Ghana. So in fact no, one done Yoko no investigative body no into a punitive way, pronouncing people guilty. Because you see, why inviting Nipa? First of all, or you'll be a journey from investigation and that's own journey. What is the risk? Also with the 50 million to it so obenya. So would the punish no? The decline. And the Yoko year in the last 18 months, no say, or more use institution, no more they punish you. And the court could jaw crana, you dika punish you dada.
Ya chumaso.
And
I'm interested in saying
they chumaso. Show you where power lies. Under the guise of investigations. And one on my look, I tell you, there are many people that we've not heard about who call Yoko Selsa or what down for months, years.
Hey,
Yoko Sales.
And the NDC.
And the NDC. Now that will be assembly committee. Back up our NDC name. Papa no money so NDC. What them be 3 months.
Now Yoko to me so prosecute.
Or your investigation, you don't know prosecute. Or they can get preliminary investigations. Not the docket comma age. So investigation no see all ye now was shas ye no. And no say okay, memo wa kofi ba ansa na obe kofi no. Na bisa was nipa odwane akohemfa. In any case, in Miracle's case, what did the party red alert so a o man in 2 kwan fi krom ha. Na ni de all ba no.
What me to kwan
oba
mo nya adwuma de yi
na
what me free head to kwan
o 2 kwan na oba so bedwane a sanko 2 kwan anka mba mai o memo ha biom. But waba bedu airport. Yes, who the red alert to chill. But let me go into interministerial committee. Omojuma omoye. A committee coordinate was Ministry of Local Government. Soko project no omoye no. E be for different sectors who district assemblies no enti ono dia ne say or coordinate a World Bank project. Ya coordinated project. Ya budget World Bank Electricity or Minister of Finance.
Secretary Fatchami. Baba for Secretary. Fatchami. Nabuchana Trim. Senabeya Ghana for no. I bet him no maybe a CD and Tia invited and this no mano. And the Soko project no. Ubu Okra want Soko project. Soko do you no more can and Nabuchana Trim. Nothing boko.
So, a World Bank project, ye di bois a ikun uhia a lifty communities across the country.
Okay.
And it was project in 6 regions.
Social cohesion project.
Exactly.
Okay.
Our project are not ye war. Some interventions are ye war. Many districts, especially in the northern sector and in part of the middle belt.
Okay.
A sense say a year project interface with different ministries, departments, and agencies. There was secretariat, a coordinating. That is the interministerial committee under the local government committee. Because local government expanding all ministries and departments in various assemblies.
Yes.
Because we call local assembly where you will trade for, you will finance for, you will health for, you will BBR.
Okay.
And there must be an interministerial coordination point under the local government way. Because we rural municipal assembly, it means it's dealing with all these ministries together. And at the coordination point, or has a project on awarded contract. He doesn't sign payment.
And just spending officer.
Or just spending officer of the project. World Bank is the spending of away at the Ministry of Finance. And to Omodia say, we koso on to me even recruiting consultant because that contract are awarded at the local level, at the assembly level. So no contractor comes to interministerial for award of a contract. They don't sign anything. So how do you hold him? How do you hold him, say, embezzlement of 55 million? So Kofosika Ninano, Omuji or Ministry of Finance. Under the guidelines of World Bank, the Ghana government, I agree.
And the interministerial committee,
as a coordination unit.
Okay.
It coordinates to ensure and write a report, timelines, Mundi Sonea the idea. And the project now, it's a project be by Asoka municipality. Yes, the project we under the Soko. Advertise and select a contract, a suitable contractor for it. Then they select their contractors. When we are on the report about. Now more endorsing the co-finance they go to Amoka. And the Nipa know what the level of coordination. How do you arrest him? Say, why embezzle? But you see, diversionary tactics. Miracles are one of the critical and critiques of the NDC government. And then also person be communication director for the MPP. In Guinea, yen silence no. Yen fire anymore. Me say ebia ebe court na akọ vary bail condition no agayenja miracles o no mo hwe de o betumi aye no
kayenya ne ma yoko.
Yes, so see onya bail condition onya no
ntu de fa no wow
what is any be busumi e na Haruna Ndriso e ball NDC for ne aban ne kokko say yoko a use institution to punish their opponents, not to investigate. Attorney General, they misled him into making ridicule of himself in public. But me, and then me granting interviews and me say, the elephant never forgets. Also, no memory no as soon. 50 million. Yes, was send you and no nebe mobile condition.
Obey General Secretary.
Yes, was send you no nebe NDC for bail conditions.
Honorable Semester.
Yes, okay. Put me on record.
Sir, Obey General Secretary.
Now you ba abamu 2029.
Na inshallah MPP winia.
Yes.
Bail condition be.
Yes, was send you no.
Sir, send you the carpenter for which mabubi.
Ye be hwe. Moja no ye be call lab.
107.3.
Benim so tuma din sa o.
Yes, was send you no. Enya trimodin. Na miracles we say pay 50 million surety to be justified.
Me look around some for 50 million property.
nipa se ne ko hu sa ekonye sa we no eno ne Yesu asendua no me say that will be their bail condition. They should get ready for it.
Right, we were talking about coming here. Honorable Sylvester Tete, a former Deputy Information Minister, former MP for Botiano, English, a man from former CEO, NYA, or Pet General Secretary, Dibre, MPP National, and what can be, and Akraba, William Mamo, Kataman Pro, was say MPP ba power. Not one year General Secretary. Na NDC be a TV one home. Near Kofanwa, bail condition here, Yesu as India. I'm Mojano ho. Na Mojano Crania, but send your collab.
Yebe collab. Faku Moja Biamba, and the collab.
Brother, to a man copied in the Zona, ye need Komokakra. But him say, Boba, ye constituency no, a record regional. Diaspora for better Modia in August. In Amia Duma.
August 8.
August 8. Now, September 16th.
19th.
Sorry. Ya to national one. No. So far, I promote saying, and I told me I'm a man for cancer. Executive say be you more constituency, any regional no. Only determine the type of leaders are you be young and national. You can only dream. None of me are so far. Monitoring no me say.
Well, met me aka say agro me di biache, me di agro yache. Ma che wa agro. I was a campaign manager for then Freddie Blay, first vice chairman 2014.
Okay.
Ma to Ghana henyina I've worked with, and a lot of the people I work with they are still in the system. 2022, me a campaign manager for Freddie Blay, a national chairman. Elections held in Koforidia. The build-up, meaning if it's going well, and Koya will be where I sit, me Danyamia say, God will not disappoint us. Nyame beton super ego. So you see, in opposition, adia bakon ubia ebi no ohwe. Say, ebi din kunim. Party for mu ban nyina no. Look, ye pre-abay nyina no. They have a fair idea of ye pre-abay. Media for assessment and idea of your capacity. Don't forget, sir, your main contenders are your NDC for any other political parties. No, almost only DHD. And nipa ye womo at the constituency level, be you regional level. No, I be constitute electoral college. No, idea ba open no more leadership for the party because direction I because strategy and everything emanate from national leadership.
Of course.
And or no per se was shedding crop for boss meji to me amamo. And also pobia or no so bet me aboa mo no mo agi to me ama party no. And then I can say you cannot give what you don't have. And I say in opposition, the biggest weapon of an opposition party is a weapon of your voice.
107.3.
And I'm for Sisikani at the idea. Bisa who say, will the MPP have as much resources at the NDC in 2028? The rate at which they are stealing, they will have more money into the elections than the MPP. So if money is determining your voting pattern in the MPP, then it means you are losing the next elections. But look for leadership for the MPP party. Leadership with experience, leadership with a voice, leadership that is underpinned selection, is underpinned by strategy. I bet you have a party. No? So you can't give what you don't have. But you don't have a better perspective, a better purview of the MPP party. You assume from my form to the highest level. And the make can be ano, we can't do what I should be able to do.
One honorable Sylvester Tete.
Bono yine asemi we bisa honorable Sylvester Tete me yobi a otwa me moja MPP ne beba apart from Nyankopon Masori the Apostolic Church Ghana me busuya nyamedi mi abedom the MPP is my biggest family. Now I'm proud say me do party no masom from polling station, constituency level, TESCON secretary, TESCON president, member of the National Organizational Committee, member of National Council, my parliamentary candidate in difficult constituency like Ningo Pram Pram. Twice Botiano English man from Bibayem Rashe Bejani. I've been an advocate for this party from 2009 to now Wukase. In Parliament, member of the Finance Committee, member of the Local Government Committee, Vice Chairman Communications Committee, Deputy Minister, Board Chairman. I've gone through the ranks in this party. I have built enough capacity to lead the party as a General Secretary. Meaning every corner, I can sleep anywhere. If you go to Pro East, Yejimakango, I grew up in a cocoa farm. I'm all rounder. Make me lead the MPP. So me Nimdiamika, Masumye, I come to the job with an experience.
Right, Obi here. First time I what here, Wabaka say will be a Wabaya minister, will be a Wabaya MP, CEO, person what dear. Party in opposition. Why you worry yourself? Waste your time, say what's party no.
Ma sani pano erin free say. Me baba ye CEO, me baba ye minister, me baba ye MP no, ubi na ye. And a party ni ba power. It drew me so. Say sa experience ne you nyam na party ni ya shebe no. Me fanye bimwa obi so. Because na ye ba power. Me be ye CEO, me be ye minister, me be ye board chairman. Me some party no is an opportunity for many more people and for the development of Ghana. Any MPP as a manyoko. So say ne me feel say bibia nyame di me abedu man damn many ebra party no wa ho hia mu a na me di party no hia mo me di me conscience hia mo e no ntina be say me di me ho asi ho party for mwa be ne entu aba ma me na ye were leadership crisis as of this time. That's the truth.
Right, finally delegacy to your party mate you then a bit to catch them.
The American party man say one ya to aba yi mu nyina mo assess ye nyina yi baby obi afri ba the odi bati ibo ne so mo son for Sylvester Tete, a man of strategy, a man with experience, a man with a political voice, a wartime general. Minstradier me work kudro. I won't look over my shoulders to take decisions ebeboa MPP amanyuko no and it mesre wo mo sabato ayekoi should not be determined by money but should be determined by obi a why ready so be a selfless leader for the MPP party. This is the time we need to make the MPP party so enya konoma onwane ho ye party for be brain butu because party no enya kono say MPP ya konoma MPP for we will always win an elections. We are natural majority people in this country a dumb MPP and there was a party no e ya kono mo noane ho ansa na bia be DHD and no na me say party for say musomfo a juma ma ye over the last 30 years say active member of this party no I will help to rebuild this party ebe ya kono ama MPP ya ye ho na ya kono ama mo am we akire ye wo emebuna woni ba wo mo ehu Rollins woni ehu President Kufuor woni ehu Akufo-Addo so meto aba in the next elections. The only government perhaps they may experience is the government of the NDC. The incompetence of John Mahama is what they witness. So you need to make a party a alternative to that corrupt NDC party into the 2028 elections. Look, intervention of President Akufo-Addo in terms of education, capacity building, investment in and 49% of our employable youth are Greater Accra are unemployed. Regional data 34% of such young people. A majority of them are beneficiaries of free SHS. When the government promised 311, the expectation is that unemployment no a bit baffled.
Okay.
The 311 turned out say a deception. So you need to position your party as credible alternative to to the incompetent NDC administration. Yedi wo moko election in 2028.
Okay.
So that is the kind of leadership a person may offer ama me party MPP.
Mercy, Honorable Sylvester Tete, former Deputy Information Minister for your time, MPP General Secretary aspirant, and any Dinkomono. Yeah, that's it for your time this evening. God bless you. Quickly, I mean, call German North. German North, Sampa, Suma, Giadaso, Nenempatamu, Sita, Edima, MPP. MPP are trying to sit in the so paying. And NDC are taking over. Nejeno ayeding. And Ramotuaba and Alaji Matanga and ya pound say chairman or my retaining no. That means ye bibia a sumbo. So the big question is this time around 2028, and then a war ye said to be a German no sit no, Bessie Abeka MPP inside. Chairman, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Honorable.
Fafa.
Bajo Mount say.
Yame Edia Famian. The require Yama Utrinkwa, Emma Mosonekon.
That's it.
Mammy Missasa, the Edican was secretary day. Chama for baby that Tiato, Domeco Benya, O Bank Grind, Domeco Benya, Chama Bones, what Transache, Watiato, O Comabia, Watiato, but one team retain seat, I would German of those parliamentary seat, no, and yet MPP. But what me a retaining seat secretly at the
yo we dey me first akonya we so na mada atie fo ase na mabasamba trankonya na nanom so mada o ase na mada council of elders patrons police station shahin for and me consensus executives MZ Prince wa transampada yasi onuma no bedi wachi na de odua no eno na wuka me be a chairman na party no opposition but me the timamofo e be mo gina so omagimadi as a universal chairman say me krokodin before election no eba bedru na nye election day na me koye me ho campaign me campaign eto ho before election sana ye ho leader nti sana me sumi flipping for enye day na me koye election. And 2 weeks time for the election, I'm calling no campaign. No, me dia to her. Enti afina aswaba mate.
Right, meaning sir German North City no ayeding. Honorable Siaka Stevens, former Deputy Regional Minister, Bono Ahafo Region. One an MP ho. And I fulfill and to a permanent my Eddie City no ma honorable Hinkwa Frederick. This time around, and then I would be different. Say German of City no MPP bet to me as a recapture.
You honorable, Mr. Medase. The team among some the minister from Hadia, but in them say you as our own to me an opinion for the DD. Among some I did a Ghana for the atom say after 8 years in the Ambassador and Amonia. Now, Honorable Shaka Steven, and so echo 8 years. In the 8 years, no. Honorable inquire Freddy to Gramon for any. Adada, Emma, Omogini to Mutabana man. By say, German for your swans, you are swans, I hope you will do. Honorable inquire Freddy by since I obey MP, I was 6 years no. Said there's some paternity, said the German of Tianity. You will say, on your feet for the job. Among the Shaka service by and the performance never so change. Honorable and inquire Frederick because about mentioning her will be a woody or yet. Emma on no occasion from equity and say, one should have been and since or Barbara. Why, Ama German of four, want to me airport to be. And you see, Nipano put the truck as here. End of the day, no, a jarring completely. And I inquire Frederick there, but the German of four agreeing a diagram or by one there. Your coin also become a munka coin dia. Yes, Webwa, you to Mamma Juma, and Timbo and Bakumpo. And the local Ababe and Tawan Tower, one year honorable lawyer Eric and Tim Camponachi, and Tim Multiple Camponachi MPP. Confusion is here, no, at NDC for camp. Now 2028, the candidate be in Indiana, and Yamini Adon, Shala, or the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ama 2028, Yatmago Ajijama Nofono, Asambia CB and Nacy, Ama Natumpo.
Again, I see one is so say obey Samria saying at Wabama Bio as constituency chairman of constituency.
You know, that's it. And say, party is to say your opposition. Now, my dear to me also say, Meko Kodin, Sebu, and Yasa, and the winning election. No way, kick grassroots, no. May you Juma form me the Mandiba to form. Council of Elders or patrons or police station executives or any more. Ebeko Banko ne nante form adbreo ene Ghana for almost free NPP for to the sense and futuromo tugu ye ni say me ameka say prince wini me a cash agent omo de campaign ka say India for e to cash we am me ko commission one time enti na cash go nkoso ene ombe di ye ni no ene di so to cash 8 cities 7 cities 9 cities but 10 time na NPP wa power no now you turn 20 cities 22, 23, 8. And the amount of and for 2 billion more to go and the Bako grassroots no. No more casta. I'm a month and part to see the MPP for now. You're an every man, you're an every you to know. We are buffer, I feel I'm area. Now, being for more HB or multi diano. We are chairman, we are investor, you'll be a better mediso. And the may see me problem this time around, yeah, mass and also because as I am fine with election, and the Bako grassroots, now you know more Akako Kasa, actually, number 4. I'm a 2028. I endorse Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, Massa also the parliamentary candidate, you know, German of NPP ticket.
Right. Alert, you better say, now go to Mujaso. Right. Alaji Matanga, German of constituency.
Yes, Abusian for NT video no nyira the aspirant of the general secretary. Your friend Yemi Sylvester Tete. I also he wants to be the general secretary. Actually, what we have to do if we actually want to win the 2028 elections, actually say everything is on the ground. Abibi actually say everyone is marching towards the MPP victory. Yedi Bawumia and the Bedi anymore. Or can ye or can see you say, and yes, Dr. Bawumia and the party neko, a party no the Dr. Bawumia ko. So it involves each and everyone's little effort. Yes, we are the ane ye Juma, ewo media num, ebo Dr. Bawumia na home, euro. One fancy or sign can say, truly, how one DC for a handle MPP for in the terms of arresting. Ena, kwanyo omofasu chia manfo. Ne kwana omofasu de bail ema manfo. No say MPP be dia konwana. NDC for should think say this omokofa cross wa yebo Yesu asenwe moso no. Eno na omokofa dia ombebi so omfa mra say bail condition. The emoji awoso. Eno crowd de ba moja na bese akọ lab akọ say enya akụkọ moja eno de akofa ho na mbom na beye moja ye Yesu moja answer amoja aje de atum hutim say yes in fact the NDC for ye no enko ye kura emfata ense kura yaka chem say entro ni kontopo no mudi ebeji tuminti asem na yire won so adwuma no ayeden esne won me say ababeto won so awie in fact enese unyante ya the ekoni say the NDC is trying everything say on keep Mahama to contest again because of my internal research who say none of the people are more NDC when and on betumi agina contest as a president on betumi winning against Dr. Bawumia. So now they are frustrated and they are doing everything that they could say John Mahama besanya gina in the 2028 coming election. This things in the whole update be brown once we are on. I mean, fan check a crema me kwa kujaru apia michia ye pa mami ya frempoma michia me kwesi asamwa michia rosuru ya urukaya michia wonsu ye pa michia cha dofo ne atiefo amutumi nya abre eneme ebedi jumai mi don besia na na nwumere yankopon ya adoma ya san apihia bi until we meet again.